Here is how to set up your MetaMask wallet step by step. First, download the MetaMask app from the App Store, Google Play, or install the browser extension from metamask.io. Once installed, open MetaMask and tap Get Started. You'll see two options, create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Tap Create a new wallet to begin. Create a new password, agree to the terms, and tap Create. Now you'll be shown your secret recovery phrase. This is the only way to recover your wallet if you ever lose access. Write it down and store it safely offline. Do not share it with anyone. After confirming your recovery phrase, your wallet is ready to go. You'll now see your wallet's address, your Ethereum balance, and access to multiple blockchains like Ethereum, BNB Chain, and more. You can now receive crypto, connect to dApps, and explore Web3. And that's how to set up a MetaMask wallet. Simple, secure, and your getaway to the decentralized world. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.